So, Assalamualaikum guys. As you commented us to make a gameplay of Traffic Rider and hack the Traffic Rider. So I have something new for you that I have hacked my Traffic Rider. So as you can see, I have unlimited money. Now first of all, we will unlock our all bikes. So guys, who will tell us that what paint should we do on our each bike? So I'll do white. So this much bike are enough for us. So next bike I will open in my next vlog, next video, next gameplay. So today we will make a gameplay from these bikes. So you will comment me from which bike I should make the next gameplay. So today I will make the gameplay with the last bike MX 4550S 450S. So we'll play first this play. As you can see, the bike speed kmh km per hour, and this trophy. Wow, what a speed! So guys, you have to complete these kind of levels. They are compulsory. So after completing these levels, then I will make a gameplay. Oh yes. Oh. So as you can see, our score is 41,000. 300 km/h speed. Woof. As you can see, in just a few seconds, I have reached to 300 km or 200 km/h speed. Yes, I touched to the 300. 316 km, 36. What's happened this? As you can know, I have reached my score is 1,06,000 something. So guys, I can play unlimited because I have unlimited money to spend. So our score is 1,333, as you can see. 1,333,000, but I use it again. Unbelievable. It's so fast that you cannot even control it. The bike is out of control, as you can see, but I'll try my best. What is happening? So guys, this is my last try. If I will crash again or I'll have accident, I'll not try it again, okay? So this is my last try and I'm not going to be out very easily because now I know how to control this bike. But the bike is out of control. So guys, this was our today's video. We have scored 1,86,356 score. So as per your demand, I have hacked this game and I have show you a gameplay also, but we just not have unlocked some few bikes. I will unlock these bikes in the next video, but the most modified bike I will show you that the most modified bike. As you can see, look this bike power and handling and braking, and now look this bike power, handling and braking. So this was our today's video. I hope you liked this video. So if you like, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.